welcome back to my channel. So this video is another stationery haul. I know you guys love stationery haul and honestly I love making them as well. So today's stationery haul is by Stationery Pal. I'll show you all the things that I got, and I got a lot of things this time. This video is also a giveaway, so stick till the end of this video to find out how you can participate. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and let's get started. I have this really big box of stationery items that I'm going to show you. Let's get started. So as you all know that I got a new phone. This is the iPhone 11 that I got with my own YouTube money. So I also decided to get some phone covers because they were really inexpensive on Stationery Pal. So this is the very first cover that I got. It has a really cute like bear on it and it says dream come true, which I think is so cool. Plus it protects the camera as well. Now the next phone case that I got is this like peach/pink phone case. So I ordered one of these, but Stationery Pal sent me one extra one, so I have two of these now. It's just very plain and simple, and I really like the simplicity of it because it just looks so cool and I think it'll really suit my phone. Now the next phone case that I got is my favorite. It is this really beautiful chain Polaroid kind of thing going on in here, and it's very sturdy. Plus it has these like grooves on the side so that it will protect your phone. This is the pouch that I got. So this is a very big pouch, and inside of it you can obviously fill very many items like I have filled right over here. And it has like this compartment where you can put stuff, and this entire like empty space over here. So there's like you can store a lot of stationery. So I also got another pouch. This is the next one that I got. Let's open it up. Stationery pouch also has like that grid pattern that I showed you in the last one. So what you can do is you can store a lot of stationery in the front. So you can see there's like a lot of zippers on here and like a lot of compartments basically on here, so it can store a lot of stationery. And I got a very interesting items and something that you won't find very easily except for Stationery Pal, of course. Got these tape dispensers. I ordered washi tapes from Stationery Pal last time, and by the way, you should definitely watch that video as well. I'll link it right over here. And you can just store your tapes on here, and then you can simply like dispense tape from it. So I got it in brown color. It looks just so pretty, and the best part is that you can stack it on top of each other, on top of one another, and then you can simply like dispense tape. And yeah, that's basically how it works. So moving on to the next part of the haul, I got some notebooks. So this is the very first notebook that I got. This is the Campus A550 notebook. It's this spiral bind, really beautiful and nice notebook, and you can simply write on it. So I'll simply write on it. It's very beautiful and aesthetic looking notebooks. I got it. And to go along with this, I also got some loose papers. So basically Stationery Pal sends these like loose papers, and this one are the blank ones. So when you're out of this notebook or you want to insert pages into it, you can simply do that. You can just simply insert these pages into these notebooks, and that makes it very sustainable. I also got some extra loose papers. So this is the one that I got. These are the A4 ones, the same ones, but these have grids on it. I also got the grid papers. These are the B5 ones. And then I got something which is my personal favorite. It's the Harry Potter notebook. So they have like a Harry Potter limited edition thing going on Stationery Pal. So make sure that you check it out. It has this Hogwarts like the staircase and stuff. Moving on to these smaller items that I got. So I got a pair of scissors. These are like the basic pink office scissors that I got. I'm always running out of scissors, like they break or something just happens to them, so I got this. The next thing that I got is a ruler. So this isn't just any ruler, you can actually expand it. So I don't have any rulers, like it's kind of strange to hear, but I don't. So I got one for myself. I really like this ruler as well. This urban monochrome like ruler, so it's not plastic, which is the best part about it. Now the next thing that I got are like to-do lists and planners. So the very first one is this stick and memo, and it's this like little thing where you can write stuff down and you can paste it. So this is the girls one. It has like these girls clothing, and this is the check. Next one is just like a to-do list or a checklist. It's very basic. You can just write stuff down over here, and I plan to be productive in 2022, unlike 2021. I was very productive until like the second half of the year. So the next thing is just this simple, very cute cat memo. So I got that. And then this is the weekly plan, so you can basically plan out your week, or even if you don't want to write everything down, you can put like stickers on it or stuff. So this is very useful. Now talking about 2022, Stationery Pal also sent me like 2 of their calendars, which is so nice. This is my first 2022 calendars. I haven't gotten any by my own. So let's open it up and see. Thank you so much, Stationery Pal. So this is what it is. So it says calendar. It's very aesthetic, and you can just remove the pages from it. So it comes along with these like wooden things. These are the wooden things that it comes along with. So this one is this really cool, like kind of like childish, but it works for me because I am very childish. I love all things kids. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has these really cool pictures, and it also has a quote. This one says February is the border between winter and spring, which it truly is. You can simply just tear this part off and use this once you're done with the calendar, which is so nice because these photos don't have to be wasted. So you can simply tear it up and use it. Now the next few items that I got are very small items, so let's begin with the pens that I got. I got a lot of pens. So firstly I got like these Micron pens. There are like 4 of them. So 3 of them are black, 1 of them is blue. This is the 003, then this is the 02, then this is the 005, and then this is the 05. So basically it's all nibs. It's very fine tip nib, and these pens are my absolute favorite in the world. They make my handwriting look so good, so I highly recommend you to invest in these Micron pens. Got these 2 erasers, and this is by High Polymer Pentel, and these look like gum. So if I was in class and I could keep these erasers, they'll ask me if you have a gum, and I'll say just yeah, take this eraser. That was a very lame joke, but yeah, you get the point. Then I got this like Muji pens. So one is black and one is blue. These are again super nice pens. I love writing with these, so I got them. Then I also got like a white pen. I've never owned a white pen in my life, and when I saw it on Stationery, I was like, yep, I'm definitely going to get it. This is a white pen that I got. And then I also got like a midliner brush. I don't know if I ordered this or they sent it to me. I don't remember ordering it, but I might be wrong. So this is the one that I got. I got this one. This one is by Miniso, and you can simply just, it's a very simple pen and you can write with it, obviously. Nice peach color. Oh, by the way, it's like this We Bare Bears one. That's why I got it. So when you click it, it changes. So first there is Ice Bear, and then you click it, and there's Panda, then you click it, there's another Panda. So it like changes. Wow. Then I got 3 mechanical pencils. So these are the pencils that I got, and you can simply use them like you would use any other pencil, and these are mechanical, so you can just like push the lead out of it. The next thing that I got are these like rose gold, what do we call it, paper clips. So paper clips are something that I'm out of, and I've lost all of them, so I needed more, so I got these. The next thing that I got is something very cool. It's this like copper Milan capsule. So what you do is you basically open it up. So above there is this eraser. I used to carry this in school, I remember, and when I was little. So here's the eraser, and then you open the bottom part up, and there you have it. There's the sharpener. I got these like triangular shaped erasers from Stationery Pal. These are by Kukoyu, and I love the brand Kukoyu. So these are this really cool like gradient ombre effect eraser. So I got one in pink and one in blue. Next 2 things that I got are these. If you know me, you know I love dinosaurs. So I got this dinosaur sharpener. It's so cute. And then I also got like an alligator one, because alligator. So I got that as well. And I also got this really aesthetic blue stapler. So my stapler actually broke, that's why I got this one, and this was very inexpensive as well. So all these stationery items on Stationery Pal, you'll expect them that, oh my god, they're so aesthetic looking, but they're actually very inexpensive. So you can go to their website, and there also is like a under dollar store. So I got many of these things from the under dollar store, which means everything over there is below $1, which is amazing. So Stationery Pal also sent me like this donut and this ice cream shaped eraser. I already had the donut one, but the ice cream I got a different color this time. So thank you so much, Stationery Pal. And then they also gave me like this I'm hot badge. coffee badge, and then this dreamer badge, which I'll be wearing a lot because it has a rainbow, like, and I love rainbows. And it also has like a love shaped beanie, which is so cute. I can put it on my Christmas tree. It's great Christmas decoration. Lastly, they also sent me this. This is basically like a card thing where you can write someone and give it to them. So it's Christmas theme because it's holidays. And Stationery Pal packaging are the best. They are the best stationery like website that I have ever shopped. Moving on to the giveaway part of this video, the part that all of you have been waiting for. So for the giveaway, the rules are pretty simple. All you have to do is be a subscriber of this channel and follow me on my Instagram, which is at Samriddhi Awasthi. Also, you have to be following Stationery Pal on YouTube as well as Instagram, and tag your friends in the comments of the Instagram. So that's a pretty simple rules. For bonus, you can also subscribe to the channel's Sam Study Station and follow its Instagram as well. So that's all you have to do. The giveaway rules are here on the screen clearly stated, as well as in the description box below. This is an international giveaway, so you can participate from wherever. Just make sure that the courier services are available in your region. Thank you so much to Stationery Pal for sending me all of this stuff. I am so grateful, and happy holidays. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye bye.